Hi guys, today I'm fixing this old floodlight. The sensor is broken, it's not working, so I'm gonna change this sensor. I'm just gonna clean this up and gonna replace this halogen light into LED. So I'm gonna change this sensor with the new sensor because this sensor is broken, it's not working properly. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the sensor. I'm just gonna upgrade this halogen to LED. So I'm just gonna open this one. So this is just a click, you have to open it from here. So just took this off, and here's the old wire connections. So I'm just gonna open these ones. So I'm just gonna take all of this panel just before, right at the end. You have to push it a bit hard to get the pin down, and that the wires are out. So this is how you're gonna take the wires out, because it's a locking here. So I'll just take these off, then I'll show you what to do. So I just took this off. So these are the wires, these are the sensor wires here. So I'm just gonna take the sensor out. So look how dirty it is. Need to clean this one as well. Wow. So it's a quite old one. So let me clean this one, then I'll show you what next. So guys, after taking this one, let's take the sensor out. So as you can see, just down to open it. So as you might, so it's open now. So you just have to push the lock out to take this out. So the sensor is out. So need more cleaning, it's a bit dirty. So I'm just using a wipe to clean this up. So it's clean. Let's put the new sensor in. So just gonna open this up. I hope it's gonna fit. So you get the rubber seal here. So I'm just gonna put the wires in. Yeah, it sits, but I think I need a bigger washer to put it here to hold this up here. It's not gonna lock. So I'm gonna put another washer here and then gonna lock it up. Just to get the washer. So guys, I got the washers. So I'm gonna put this o-ring washer at the bottom to make it more secure, and then I'm gonna put this washer in, and then the nut, and just tighten it up. So it's a bit tricky because it's right in. So I'm gonna show you after I tie this in. So after tightening up, it's nice and secure. So you can set it anywhere you want from this side. So I just tight it up and make sure it's well tight so the water doesn't go in. So don't tight it too much, otherwise you're gonna break the aluminum. So I just come with the wiring, take the same adapter again, so this one is earth, these two are from the light, and these are the sensor ones. So we're gonna put the earth where it was before. So it's just locked in, just push it down and it's locked. Don't have to do much. And then blue is a neutral, so we put neutral in. So blue in, the light line in, and then white with red right at the end. It's coming out of the sensor, so, and this one brown is a line, so we put line in the line. So that's all you need to do. So it says here neutral earth line 1. So hold on, just push this down to lock it up because it's very skinny, so that's why it's very getting hard to get stuck. So I'm just gonna make it double, and then gonna push it in, and it's locked. Just make sure you tie the locks, just push them hard to make sure they're secure and lock. So that's the sensor done. So guys, I'm gonna try this one now. So I'm gonna turn it on, so please be careful because the wiring is open, so no protection there, just be careful with that. So I'm gonna turn it on. I know it's gonna burn the plastic down there, so just careful because the halogen light's very warm, so just don't on it for a long time. Hope you like the video. Just wait for the part 2 because I'm gonna change the halogen into LED. Thank you for watching. Bye.